Personal data is essential for individualized communication. If the data is no longer required for its intended purpose, Promio.connect offers automatic GDPR-compliant deletion rules as well as the option to delete data manually. You can also conveniently request data information. To do this, search for the relevant data record via the address search. Then click on the menu icon and select the item GDPR Data Information and Deletion. You will now see a data report in text form containing all opt-ins, delivered messages, and personal data recorded in Promio.connect. By clicking on the text area, all information is copied to the clipboard, allowing you to easily reuse the data. Further down, you can delete personal data in accordance with the GDPR. By clicking on Delete Personal Data and confirming this step again in the following dialog box, the data will be irrevocably deleted.